MGF GRP Stackshore boxes consist of 2-meter long by 0.4-meter high Stackshore panels, working in combination with Gripshore Plus trench box panels and struts to create a 2x2x2-meter box. The box can be assembled fully enclosed, or you have the option to leave openings on 1, 2, 3, or 4 sides by utilizing a strut system that offers an understrut clearance of 770 mm. Boxes with 2 openings can be supplied as a straight run or 90 degrees turn. The configuration of boxes depends on which sides require openings. This video will focus on a single front opening. All components are lightweight and can either be manually handled or lifted mechanically. Throughout the assembly process, be aware of finger trap hazards. Ensure appropriate PPE is worn at all times. At no point should components be lifted or assembled by putting fingers through connecting pin holes. Connect a 1.2-meter vertical strut to a 2x1.2-meter Gripshore Plus trench box panel and secure with pins and R-clips. Check orientation such that the vertical strut base plate will be in contact with the ground. Connect a 1.5-meter horizontal strut to the protruding arm and secure through the middle hole. Then secure a second 1.2-meter vertical strut in a mirror of the first. Carefully raise the assembly and secure 3 2x0.4-meter Stackshore panels into the opposite channel. Place a 2x1.2-meter Gripshore Plus trench box panel on the open face and secure with pins and R-clips. Throughout assembly, it is important that struts and panels are square to each other to ensure holes line up correctly. Ensure all the connecting holes line up prior to securing panels using pins and R-clips. Fine adjustment to the panels and struts may be required to line up the pin holes. Temporarily take out the top pin from each channel and insert 4 top-to-base connectors. Secure in place by reinstalling the top 4 pins and R-clips. Place 2 2x0.4-meter Stackshore panels onto the top-to-base connectors, one above the opening and the other on the opposite side. Do not pin in place at this point. Place a 2x0.8-meter Gripshore Plus trench box panel on one side and secure in place with pins and R-clips. Stack a 2x0.4-meter Stackshore panel either side on top of the existing ones and secure in place. Finish the box by placing a 2x0.8-meter Gripshore Plus trench box panel and install the lower 2 pins and R-clips. Before installing the upper connecting pins, lower in the extraction brackets, ensuring the lug is pointing towards the center of the Stackshore box. The remaining extraction brackets can now be installed on the opposite face by first removing the upper connecting pins, then lowering in place before reinstalling the connecting pins and R-clips. Overdig the trench by 100 mm so that the Stackshore box can be installed using the dig and drop technique. Never push the box with an excavator bucket. Connect a 4-leg chain to the extraction brackets and carefully lower the assembled box into the excavation. Loosely backfill any gaps around the box to avoid injury. Install MGF safety equipment as required. Remove by connecting a 4-leg chain to the extraction brackets. Do not shock load the chains. If the box becomes stuck, use a 10-ton extraction chain to lift one corner at a time to break any stiction. Remove in a continuous backfill and lifting sequence. Disassemble the box in a reverse process to the assembly. Ensure components are fully supported when removing pins.